All right, y'all. Welcome back to Caught the Rush channel. Today, I'm going to be talking a little bit loud, and I forgot my mic, but it's something very important that I just found. And I want to kind of talk to you guys about with Bird. So it seems over the past couple of days, Bird has been having, I don't know. They both have been interested in her vaginal area, and Cot is particular has been interested in it, but he makes this face when he's in her area like it's gross in there. Now, I haven't smelled anything or seen anything out of the ordinary. Now, today I just saw she just went to the bathroom and she had some discharge. So I don't know what that's about. She's also not eating today. It could be, get out of it. Get out of it. Get out of it. No, she's not eating today. But it could be just because she I only fed them once yesterday, because they kind of ate late in the day, so I only fed them once. So she kind of probably not eating today. Due to that, she's not lethargic or anything like that, so we're not really too worried about her not eating. She probably just has to get used to skipping a meal. So that's why I really don't like to feed them twice a day, every day anyway, especially at particular times of the day. I kind of try to switch it up that way to keep them their stomachs from getting used to eating twice a day. It kind of makes their stomach a little bit more healthier, their gut a little bit more long lasting. But however, she does have some vaginal discharge. So back to that. Now, my plan of action here is I'm gonna go ahead and just take her to the vet tomorrow. I doubt anything is gonna be wrong, so I will be scheduling with the vet, and I doubt anything is wrong with her at all. She's not lethargic. She's not, unusual. Everything the same. I can't smell anything, but I'm pretty sure there's something going on with that, and I don't know if this could be maybe an infection she might have picked up or something like that. I don't know. So we'll go ahead and take her. If they don't find anything out of the get out of it. If they don't find anything out of the ordinary, which I'm probably sure they won't, I'll let you guys know. But I'm probably gonna do this in a one-part video and then just probably skip to the appointment and then see what we got going on. So I'll see you guys at the appointment. All right, y'all, so we're in the vet office and they already took her back. I don't know what they did yet. They haven't explained it to me, but and she seems fine. Again, it's probably nothing. No, they didn't actually have appointments, but they did do an emergency appointment for me because they don't want her to have a uterus infection. So, we're pretty much at this spot. So emergency appointments. I don't know. It's not scaring me. I don't see anything being any problem besides treating it with probably some antibiotics if that is the case. But we'll see. So I'll keep you guys updated. Let you guys know. But yeah, we're here at the vet's office, and we'll see. Footage of this fool. Big nose.
this, huh?
All right, y'all. So continuing to talk about Bird and her emergency. I did film this, but I'm refilming it. Basically, we went uh, to the vet, as y'all saw. Basically, the information they gave me is they sent me home with some antibiotics, just in case. But they did take blood work, and we don't know as of yet if she has anything going on, both either, you know, um, intestines wise or uterus wise. So they basically gave me some antibiotics, sent us home, and we were waiting on them to give me a call based off the blood results. Now, what do I think it is? Probably absolutely nothing. I'm pretty sure it's nothing at all. I'm pretty sure I just took a blank trip to the vet, but better safe than sorry. Like I said, if you see something that's kind of out of the ordinary, like Cot, he was basically not, you could tell he wasn't liking what he was smelling, and he's back there quite often. He didn't like what he was tasting either. So that was a telltale sign that something was wrong. Then once I actually saw some of the discharge, which wasn't pussy or anything like that, again, but yeah, it raised a little bit of concern. Now it's very hard to see if something's wrong back there with Bird, in particular because she takes very good care of herself. She's very, very clean with her area. Get out of that. Got weed killer on it. Very, very clean in her area. So, again, here, this is all I have for you guys. She's not having any issues. All right, so we all packed up, and as I said, guys, I'll see you guys. That's all I have, but I'll see you guys here in the next one. Um, got some weed killer situation going on, so had to go in and wash their feet off. But see you guys in the next one.